I stop on a place to find the food because I feel like hungry because in the morning I not eat yet, but I want to eat right noodle. You see, guys? Yeah, like this and fish salad and rice noodle also and with broth is spicy, smell very delicious, guys. But just you know what, like $5. It's okay for me, but also I stop on a place near the temple, but it's not Angkor Wat like a temple like a Bantik day. Yeah, you see, guys, and temple over there. Yeah. And Cambodia have a lot of temple. Yeah, very beautiful, like Angkor Big, Angkor Small, Bak Khai, Bayon, Taprom, everywhere. So a lot of temple in Cambodia and amazing, and also have a lot to year, you know, like maybe more than 1,000 years like that. Okay, guys, and now I enjoy the food. I will show you later about when I eat already. Check you sir, and looking with me when I go to inside temple. Will show you another video. I love you.